If I could give an example of another story that ends kind of almost before it begins, there's a story called Slimy Shlomo is a Homo.
That's a great ending. I love it.
Yeah. And first of all, Slimy Shlomo is a homo. In Hebrew, it's Shlomo Homo Kusel Homo. That's what it's called in Hebrew. And I think I must have toyed with that title 10 times. I had Mitch the Snitch is a son of a bitch, and I had Lowlife Larry is a fairy, and we played with them all. In the end, Edgar wanted to keep the Hebrew name, and so it was. And if I may, I'll take a minute and I'll read you the story just to demonstrate what we mean by an ending where it shouldn't, where it's just right. The sub told them to line up in pairs. Slimy Shlomo is a homo was the odd man out. I'll be your partner, the sub said, and gave him her hand. Then they went for a walk in the park, and Slimy Shlomo is a homo looked at the boats in the artificial lake and at the gigantic sculpture of an orange, and then a bird pooped on his hat. Shit sticks to shit, Yuval shouted at them from behind, and the other kids laughed. Ignore them, the sub said, and rinsed off his hat under a faucet. Next came the ice cream man, and everyone bought an ice cream. Slimy Shlomo is a homo ate his popsicle, and when he finished, he pushed the stick between the tiles and the pavement and pretended it was a rocket. The other kids were fooling around on the grass, and only Slimy Shlomo is a homo and the sub, who was smoking a cigarette and looking pretty tired, stayed on the pavement. Why do all the kids hate me? Slimy Shlomo is a homo asked her. How should I know? The sub shrugged her drooping shoulders. I'm just a sub.
I love that. I'm just a sub. That's a diplomatic shrug,
Yeah. And it's one of those bittersweet stories that kind of lingers and stays with you, I think.
Yeah. And it also shows that, it's not, people are not consistently brutal. The sub stays with the Slimy Shlomo, but she also, her compassion can only go so far, She doesn't know why this guy is being victimized in this way.